Childs.
New page, fuck a old page. New days, fuck my old ways. Yeah, refresh like the homepage. Switch lanes, I got road rage. Yeah, money long, it got old age. Blue faces seeing old face.
What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I'm on my way to the dealership right now for an oil change. It's that time again. So yeah, but like I said, I always take it to the dealership because they do it for free. Alright guys, so we're about to get here. That could have been homeboy Jesus if he would have upgraded to a 2020. Alright guys, there she goes. After 3 hours, they're finally done. They gave my paperwork and everything. So I'm back from the dealership. They also washed my truck. By the way, so I just want to let y'all know I got my old wheels back again. Alright guys, so it's the next day. We're about to head to Trucks and Coffees. I'm already a little late. I don't wake up early like everybody else. Hopefully it don't rain, you know, so it can be looking good for the show. But yeah guys, let's head over there. Alright, so we're just barely arriving. It's pretty packed. I got my Trucks and Coffee sticker. There's also a band playing over there. And a taco truck. Alright, so we're just waiting for this girl to get out the way. She's struggling. Alright guys, so this girl right here driving, she's stuck. She can't get out, and I can't get out either. There's a lot of people behind me. So we have Trucks and Coffees now. I think somebody got stuck over there.
Like that. Yeah, we definitely not getting out now.
Alright guys, so we're still out here. It's nice and cloudy.
Yeah,
JC.
I might have to pull up with the whole tank. I might have to go and take the whole thing. This is where we meet. Welcome to the sea. I might bring all the waves, either with me or you're in my way. You couldn't stop me even if you tried. I might put it all on the line. Change my mood, now I'm on the move. Welcome to the sea, you just stepped up on the cruise. I wanted greatness, never wanted 22s. Can't affiliate with you, I have way too much to lose. It's a long way up, just don't look down. I won't forget who stuck around. It's not just for me, but for my town. They couldn't see us then, I bet they see us now. no time for rest, I'm never satisfied. No, I'm not. They can tell, cause their eyes, they never lie. You don't want it if you're not willing to sacrifice. They ain't taking what's mine. Keep on doubting on me. It's okay, it keeps me hungry. The world is yours, I feel like Tony. You should wait and see what's coming. I might have to pull up with the whole thing. I might have to go and take the whole thing. This is where we meet.
What you say? Lo que hacen los cervezas. There's a lot of people out here. My truck's over there. I don't even know how I'm gonna get out when I leave. Esto ya es de Bandy. La del iRock, ¿verdad? El color. Says Clica Trucking. Yeah. I guess that's everybody for right now. So I just spotted Woody. The guy over there got stuck. He was trying to leave burning out. I think he hit the fence. Por ayúdale, güey.
Pasame tu troca, pero sacarla.
El Chevy, güey, ese no la saca.
No, ya la cagó ese güey.
Yep.
Te fuera amarrado, mejor, digo.
Que le diga a su camarada el de la Dodge.
Ahí están, güey, las trocas que quieres, güey.
Mojado, pendejo.
Now they're both gonna get stuck, watch.
What happened?
Chug that shit, chug that shit.
The guy's still over there stuck.
You didn't get the chug guy.
Nah.
Oh, he's gonna get stuck too. You already tell his shit was spinning.
I think he's gonna go help him out now. Oh, he might do a burnout.
Why did he stop?
I don't know. Yeah, I think he's gonna do a burnout. Oh, that guy got him out. Nigga jumping out hard.
Yeah, I wonder how that nigga's gonna get through with that big ass box.
Still drying him. They're over there doing something, I don't know what. Man, there's a takeover over there, guys. All the way over there. Not there, but like all over there. Alright guys, so I'm about to head out right now. It was a good trucks and coffee. First time coming. So as y'all can see, there's not as much people as there were earlier. That truck looks clean, right? 2020 or 2019?
2019.
Homeboy Jesus behind me.
Sí, va a ser que me llanta.
Alright guys, we made it out. People are acting crazy now over here. You wanna hold the camera?
Shit, I don't know. Can I roll the window down?
Yeah?
Dile que le queme.
Alright guys, so the deal is we have to burn out before we take off. But I don't have tires, so I ain't doing that. No quema. I told you guys I wasn't gonna do it. But that's gonna be it for this video, so I'll catch you on the next one.